Hi, in this video, we'll show you how to give users access to the Books Close feature in Intuit Accountant Suite, as well as how to give them access to clients' QuickBooks. Start by navigating to the Users page. Then find the user you want to update and select Edit. In the Role drop-down menu, select either Standard All Access, Standard Limited Customers Only, Standard Limited Customers and Vendors, or Company Admin. These are the roles with access to the Books Close feature. Next, select View All Permissions. Under the Add Additional Permissions section, select Account Management. Then, check the box next to Team to provide view access. This user now has access to the Books Close feature. If you want this user to have access to onboard new clients to Books Close or modify templates and settings, open the Books Close section. You can give this user permission to onboard and offboard clients for Books Close and also allow them to change templates and other settings. However, this step isn't required to give this user access to just work on a client's books. Note, if you choose to grant onboarding and offboarding access, the system automatically grants access to change templates and settings as well. If you need this user to have access to specific clients' QuickBooks files, select Edit again. You can choose those clients here. Select a client, then select Assign Access. From this window, assign one of the following roles: Company Admin or Standard All Access. The user should have one of these roles inside that client's QuickBooks file to work on Books Close for that client. Now, you know how to grant a user access to the Books Close feature, as well as to your selected client's QuickBooks files.